Okay, everyone. We're just getting back from break here and figured out what we had going on that was wrong. We're trying to capture this string str underscore teachup. And we are trying to capture that string in p parameter. P parameter is the post block that reads parameters during normal output. If we want to read it during the pre-read, we need to put it in PWRTT params. So that was the only thing that we had wrong. Everything else was right. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this line, paste it in. The param code equals 20,003 in PWRTT params. Fortunately, we have a right tool table parameters as well. So now still not getting it. We definitely have values in there. And make sure we are using MP-Fan. Okay. STRT chuck. So we are getting the mprint statement. Shoot, we're just not capturing. Yeah, I'm not sure what we can do to get that value. There's the right tool table parameters. That should be where we want to capture it. So let's see if we're here's us capturing it. Okay, so we're going to debug that there. And okay, inside the G10 buffer loop. STRT chuck doesn't get set. Let's go back and let's look at pre-read. Assigned or calculated values. We calculate param codes, we calculate S parameter, we calculate str tool, str tool path, and str tool ext. Let's see if we can do this. See what S parameter contains. Why is that empty? Is the value wrong? You know, let's go to P parameter. Well, let's do this. Let's turn on the debugging for P parameter. We use -1 for the read machine int now, because that should give us all of the machine parameters. So if I post that out, and we look at the output, this is like all of the parameter codes. And we're looking for the 20,000 series. And it's definitely empty. Don't know why we're not getting that string. Could be a bug. We're still not getting it down here. Yeah, we should be getting that. We'll do this. RAM saver. Yeah. Well, let's see if we get... No. Yeah, we should be writing that data. I'm not sure why we're not. That is interesting. Could very well be a bug, Craig. Yeah, but I didn't see... Let's search through this. Yeah, we do get it as 1094. Wow, that's the only place we get it for that string, as 1094. Okay, yeah, you know what? Just for the sake of making this example get finished up, let's do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that to 1094. So in the post here, we're going to say PWRTT params 1094. And we're inside PWRTT params, and we're capturing that string chuck from S parameter. So if I just change that, we get rid of that code there. We don't need it. So we now finally do get a string. Okay, and we're going to go, nope, we're just going to do this. We're going to go back in here. We're going to edit our tool. We're going to replace the strings. And we'll save that. And in our post, we're still going to do the scanning. And we're still going to do this here. And what we'll do is we'll just take this debug here. And we're going to do, after we set the tool overall length, we're going to say mprint. And we're going to do this, tool OAL. And we're going to do mprint. So the problem is when you mprint a numeric variable, there's no title. You can't control the title. Is the tool okay? Next value is the tool overall length. So we're going to scan string chuck for the SOAL, right? We'll grab these values, post it, and now it says that we're inside PWRTT. That's the string that we're going to be grabbing values from. The next value is the tool overall length. Oh, damn it. Found that minus 9999. And let's go back and turn off the debug. Turn off that debugging. Let's shut that down. post it. Okay, we're still getting this minus 9999. Let's go back and look at this scan. So we know STR Chuck is getting set because we can see that in our debugging. So let's go back in here and let's look at this real quick. That is searching for OAL. And it should find that number just behind there. So that scan right there should work. And if we do result equals mprint str tchuck, we should be able to see this. I'm going to turn off this debugging. Okay, just make sure there's no other stuff in the way. So if I post this again, that is coming from right here. I know that the string looks like this, but it looks like scan isn't working for us. I mean, the only other thing that I can think of doing is reversing these two numbers to see, or these two strings, to see what's going on here. SOAL is OAL. Our chuck is OAL. I mean, that's what the value says. So okay, so how about we just do SOAL STRTCHUCK. That'd be about the only other thing that I can think of doing. Ha! Ha 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 ha! The documentation's wrong. Oh my god. Ugh! Check it out. Ha. Sweet. Okay, so that means that if we go in here and we look at this guy and we look at our tool manager, okay, and we take these guys and we say OAL 3.5414. We take this guy, we just stick this anywhere. It can be anywhere in the string. And we say OAL 4.637 or 87. OAL 3.332 or 01. Again, this is in the tool name string. Okay, and now we get our values that are extracted directly from the tool definition. Okay, so I'll have to check with CNC software and figure out why line 20,003 isn't being written. But other than that, we're writing out our work offset values and we're writing out our tool length values by reading the data from wherever we specified. In this case, we specified, hey, we want to read it from the tool definition. Now it's coming from STR tool. Okay. That's just about going to wrap up class for today, gentlemen, unless there is questions that you guys have about anything we've covered. Be happy to go over anything. Yes, I will be uploading this post. All of the class 1 videos were up, I think, within 2 days. So my goal, it does take a little bit of time to produce these, but my goal is to get these up as soon as possible. No questions, good stuff. I like that. That's awesome. Cool. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it will take me a little bit of time today. I'll start producing the videos that we recorded today, and should have at least the first 1 or 2 up by tomorrow, and probably by Monday I should have all of the rest of the videos up. So hopefully before that, for getting them all up, but you know, shouldn't take me too long. So awesome. Well, I'm not seeing any more questions, so that's good. Bill, I would like you to email me some info, yeah, on the buffer stuff. So yeah, starting Tuesday, if Bill gets me that info about tool offset numbers, we'll go over that, and Otherwise, we're going to pick back up on outputting machine simulation information to a string buffer. And again, by all means, if you guys have other questions about, hey, I want to do some G10 output and I want to capture something different, right now we're just capturing tool length. So if there's something else, I know there's like L10, L11, L12, and L13. There's other parameters that we can write out. So if there's other stuff you want to capture, by all means, let me know. And send me an example of what, or at least some sample files for a starting point, and then we'll output that information. And yes, Craig, we will pick up, like I said, we will pick back up on machine simulation starting Tuesday. Oh, before everybody leaves, we have schedule Tuesday. We will meet, I believe it is 7:30 to 8:30, and that's Eastern. Okay? On Wednesday, we will meet from 8:30 to 9:30 Eastern. And last is Thursday. We are going to be going from 9 to 10. Okay, so that's last class. Okay, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this coming week, each day has a slightly different time. Okay, it's a little bit of an attempt to get to both the people on the East Coast and West Coast. So if you've got a buffer question, okay, if there's something that you want to do that you haven't been able to do yet, now's the time to ask. All right, and we've got 3 more days besides today that you've got the opportunity to ask questions on buffers. All right? Okay. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I know it can be a little daunting to just sit through 4 hours of lecture and example. It can be pretty time-consuming, but I hope you guys got something out of it. And we'll be continuing the instruction on Tuesday. So if you can make it, hope to see you guys there. And that's it for tonight. So we'll wrap it up. And I will see you guys this coming Tuesday. And that's going to be June 17th. And then we'll have another one on the 18th. And our final question period is going to be June 19th. So if you've got questions, get them in now. All right. Thanks, guys. I'm going to shut down the broadcast and let you guys go. Talk to you soon.